Would have paid a designer a bajillion dollars for this, or I really would have struggled in Canva. The gap between you and somebody out here making a ton of money just got much smaller. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use Claude Design. It's one of the best tools. It's so underrated. I don't know why people don't use it more, probably just because they don't know where to find it. But let me show you exactly why you should use Claude Design. It can speed up all of your processes, from your carousels to your website designs. The way that you kind of unlock its efficiency is by setting up a really good brand guideline, or else all of your designs from Claude are going to be very generic and we can tell. And I don't want you and me and us to be able to tell that you're using AI, even if you are. That is so important. All right. So go ahead and open up Claude.ai/design. You can also get to this on your desktop and in your browser. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. All right. So here you have a general kind of input here. You pick the model, which does matter, especially if you're setting something up, but you can use Opus generally for most of this. They have templates pre-built for you, but you can also describe something. So if you want an Instagram carousel or something like that, you can actually just say what you want and give it the dimensions. It can do animations, wireframes, documents, slides, and of course, websites. The most important thing is setting up your design system. So if you want to set up a new design system, you have to actually say, click here and press design system. Okay. Then you're going to press the plus button and you can create it with Claude, or if you are using Figma, like let's say you already have an amazing website that you designed, you can just give it that information and it'll design it for you. So let's say you're going to create it, describe the name of what you want your design system called. If you have a website, you can link the code, or if you're using Claude Code, you can use it there, or a Figma file. Or you can literally just browse and upload things. You can upload, like, this is my logo and this is a screenshot of my website. You could even use inspiration from your Instagram page. If you're like, I'm obsessed with this Instagram page, if it was yours or somebody else's, and you could screenshot and be like, I want you to use this as a baseline for my design. Okay. And you can tell it any notes like our brand voice, colors. If you're like, I don't want any like hard edges, I want kind of like squares, whatever. But the key is to take inspiration and put it all in here, or hire a proper designer to do your brand design. It is probably worth that $4,000 to $5,000 because once it's set, AI is going to take it from there. Okay, so I have two in here. I'll show you guys the CEO Spring Break brand. And let's say we're going to do an announcement graphic to say CEO Spring Break is coming back in 2027. Let's go. CEO Spring Break is coming back, and I need launch graphics for the wait list so people can be aware it's coming. Okay, I want 4x5 Instagram carousels. Make up the copy and the call to action for people to join the wait list and comment for a mini chat automation. Okay. So for this, I'm not even going to do too much, but you also can use your skills here. So I have a Vire carousel builder. So I'm going to go ahead and say to use that carousel builder, and it's going to run. So while it's doing this, typically what it does first is ask you a set of questions just to clarify what it means or what I mean. But while that's doing it, I'm going to actually go back because it's going to take a second to render and show you some of the other things that I built. So I wanted to build my website. I was talking to Squarespace, and my original website for CEO Spring Break was hosted on Squarespace, and Squarespace increased their rates to like, I don't know, like $500 or $300 a year or something like that. And I was like, honestly, I've never signed into Squarespace. Like, I'm literally just paying because it had this design, but I can just take this design and move it over here and pay nothing because I already have hosting with Vercel. So I had it on my Claude Chrome, scrape the design, take a screenshot. If you guys don't have this screenshot plugin right here, it's called GoFullPage. Let me just show you real quick. GoFullPage. This is the best tool. It can screenshot anything on your page. So get this tool, GoFullPage. Okay. Going back here. So I had it generate, and it literally made it exactly what the website looks like. It made a beautiful landing page. I got to update the photos. I could literally just add the photos here if I wanted to. And then when you share a website, you can share the actual HTML. It codes it for you. So if you're using something like Claude Code, or if you want to use Lovable or something that's easier for you, that's fine. But you can upload your project HTML, or you could turn it into a PowerPoint, which I don't know why you would do that. So you can send it to Vercel, Canva, Claude Code, etc. Lots of different options here. And you just kind of go back and forth with it. I'm already having Claude code this up. How are we doing on our launch graphics here, guys? Okay, so it's done. Okay. So here is the carousel. CEO Spring Break, it's coming back. The founder retreat we keep hearing about returns in 2026. Last year, it was invite only, a weekend to actually exhale, work hard, rest harder. Your next peer group. Peers, deals, clarity. Get on the list first, comment spring. I mean, this is pretty good. It's got all the little graphics. It's got a little it's great. I love it. I'm obsessed. So good. Okay. Done. Literally done. Share Canva. If I want to put it in Canva, I could put it in Canva. If I want to change the keyword, it lets you do that. I don't know. I feel like I just changed your life. If you weren't using this tool, what are you doing? Okay, let me show you one more thing that it can do. You can also make cute little animated videos. So let's go back to design. Let's say we're back in the CEO Spring Break design system. We want to make an animation, make a launch video 4x5, I don't know, like 15 seconds for CEO Spring Break coming back in 2027 and getting on the wait list. Okay, so it's going to make a video. Probably going to ask me some questions. If you wanted to, you could give it a whole storyboard. Like you could literally go into Claude or ChatGPT, build a storyboard, get your little graphics, get your little icons, get your little characters, and give it to it. And then it'll animate it for you. While it's building this, I'm going to show you one that I had it do. I was like trying to explain the WorkSmart system. And look, I gave it little screenshots of the website of you guys' operating system that you have access to. Introducing the WorkSmart operating system, now included in your membership. Everything in one. Boom, boom, boom. Videos, step change growth, monthly trainings. Va ba boom. This is so good. What are you talking about? Amazing. Amazing. Okay, just as a reminder, it can use different connectors. So like if I really wanted to get saucy with it, I could have it use the Higgsfield connector. Okay, I've talked to you guys about Higgsfield before. This is very important that you connect with Higgsfield. You can also, again, add your skills. So you've got a bunch of different skills. You can go ahead and add them. Okay. Reference another project. So many little nuances here. Okay, while that's loading, I just want to show you another one that I had it made. So I was working on my WorkSmart Advisor Instagram and just kind of revamping that and bringing it back to life. So I had it made an entire template carousel. So each column is a template. I had one make one for photos. I had one make it for screenshots, like when I'm doing kind of like teaching carousels, and then one for like big screenshots. So good. Again, would have paid a designer a bajillion dollars for this, or I really would have struggled in Canva to make these. But just a reminder, you can export this into Canva. This is so important. But for your designs not to be terrible looking, this is why you need to have a brand kit and figure it out. Okay. And again, if you need to go on creativemarket.com, if you need to go on Dribble and hire a designer, if you need to go on Upwork and hire a designer, like do what you need to do to make the investment up front so that your designs don't come out looking like Claude. Like this does not look like Claude. This looks like a designer. All right, let's see how our video's doing. Let's switch over here. What did you come up with, girly? It's back. CEO Spring Break returns spring 2027. The invite-only retreat for founders, masterclass, deep rest, connection. CEO Spring Break. Join the waitlist. CEOspringbreak.com. What? Hello? I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope that you learned something. I hope you feel inspired to create, to play, to build something new, to remember that your limitation is in your brain. These tools are your coworkers. They are expert coworkers. You still need to pay for people who are deep, deep experts. But the gap between you and somebody out here making a ton of money just got much smaller because you guys are amazing. And I want to see you succeed, which means I want to see you use these tools to the best of your ability. You're already paying for them. You should use them. Let me know what questions you have in the comments below. I'm so excited for you and what you create. Bye.